You know that mere sand could possibly give you enough evidence that this universe did not come by accident. On December 19th, 2013, the European Space Agency launched a mission called Gaia. Its purpose was simple: to create an exact 3D map of our galaxy, the Milky Way galaxy. It was designed to measure the motions, distances, and positions of stars in our galaxy. Sooner or later, ladies and gentlemen, scientists began to understand the amount of stars that exist in our galaxy. And the number was just absolutely astonishing. They estimate that there is approximately between 100 to 400 billion stars in our galaxy alone. If we were to take the average number of stars and multiply that by the amount of galaxies that we predict exist in all of this universe, which is approximately 2 trillion, it's basically simple math. 2 trillion multiplied by 200 billion will give us a number that our minds cannot even fathom, which is 6 trillion stars in our galaxy. That is 2 followed by 23 zeros. That is more than the amount of individual grains of sand that we have on Earth, in every beach, under every ocean, in every desert. And the beauty of all of this is that every single star in that galaxy exists with such precision. Not a single one of them is out of place, and every single one of them follows a structured system. Matter of fact, if that harmony didn't exist, ladies and gentlemen, then everything would just collapse. Do you understand now why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم الذي خلق 7 سماوات طباقا ما ترى في خلق الرحمن من تفاوت فارجع البصر هل ترى من فطور